Today, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic light flicker effect in Blender, just like this one you see here. This technique is simple, powerful, and perfect for broken lights, horror scenes, or cinematic environments. Let's get started. First, press Shift+A. Go to Light and select Point Light. Now, place the light wherever you want in your scene. Next, go to the Light Object Data properties by clicking the light bulb icon. Set the power to 0. Now add a keyframe by clicking the small circle icon next to the power value. Now to Rendered View and open the Graph Editor. Click the Editor Type menu and choose Graph Editor. Make sure the point light is selected. On the left side, expand the drop-down and select Power. Press N on your keyboard to open the sidebar. Go to the Modifiers tab and click Add Modifier. First, add a noise modifier. Increase the strength to control how bright the light becomes. Decrease the scale to make the flickering faster. You'll already start seeing some random flicker movement. Next, click Add Modifier again and choose Step. This makes the light turn on or off instead of smoothly fading, which makes the flicker look much more realistic. Now add one final modifier, Limits. With this modifier, you can control when the flicker starts and ends using the minimum and maximum X values, and control the maximum brightness using the minimum and maximum Y values. If you want the flickering to stop halfway through the animation, click on the maximum X value, then click and drag until the noise curve drops below 0. Around here is fine. Now press the spacebar to play the animation. And there you go, a realistic flickering light effect in Blender. Follow for more Blender tips, tricks, and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.